Okay, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carson. If you've never met me, hi. If you have, welcome back. And I'm doing a really exciting video today. I'm gonna do like a little room tour, like a little moment, like show you everything in detail. Like, where is this chair from? The flowers, like everything. I will let y'all know, and I'll also link it down below. But I just moved in Saturday. Today is Monday, so I kind of had like 2 days to organize it, like get settled, get cozy, and I'm just really excited. I love like a new space, a new energy, like, you know what I mean? Like, I just love that like little vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all of that and just like kind of pop around, like see what's what. Also, I was kind of shocked. Like, I put like a little moving in like Instagram story. I had a bunch of people reply, like so nice, like, oh my gosh, can't wait for the video about this. I actually had like a good amount of people who were excited for this. So hope I don't let you down. I moved to Charlotte and I'm just loving this apartment. Like, first off, the wall color, look at it. It's like a kind of a beige, like so neutral. I just love. So I'm gonna show you when you walk in what it looks like, the vibe. Also, it's raining today, so if you hear rain, thunder, anything like that. And it's also like a little bit dark because of the rain, but that's fine. We're gonna get it done. Favorite part of this room is this little corner. It's like my cozy corner, I call it. So my room is honestly pretty big, so I like having this little section to, like, you know, chill, hang out, like have a separate space. Made a little nook in the corner here, and I'll show you like where I got everything and all of that. But I don't know, I just love the vibes over here. And it's right next to these huge windows. Like, I love the windows, so it just brings light in, and oh my gosh, it's just lovely. And I really like it for like, I don't know, it's just so clean and white and bright, and I just really love everything. So I'll show you what I got. Starting off, this mirror. So I got this, oh my gosh, so long ago. Yeah, I got it from like an older girl in my sorority. Like, she was selling it for $20 and I got it. And I've used it ever since. I absolutely love it. It's just like my favorite. Super clean, big, like, you know, why would I get another one? So I have that. And then I have this pampas grass that I got off of Etsy, which is interesting. Like, with the pampas, you have to be so careful. Like, even if you move it, like anything, it sheds. So I've been like so careful moving it here. And when I first got it, you have to like take it out of the package and then put it in the sun for like 2 hours to make it fluff. Like, there's all these things you have to do. So I will link it down below, because I was looking online for it for like so long and I just couldn't find like a good one. Like, I didn't know what it would look like. So then I just like did it. You know what I mean? I'm like, whatever, I'll just buy it. So I love her. She's in a little vase from, I think it's like Marshalls or like Home Goods or whatever. So I got a little vase there. I kind of want a different vase, like a white kind of like curved, like bigger vase, like bigger piece of furniture, which I'll get to. But yeah, so I have that. And then, so yeah, then I have this little stool right here, and that is from Target. I have, yeah, this is from Target. This is from House with 2 Z's. So I'll like pop that down below. But okay, also like this chair is probably my prized possession. I love the chair. I make everyone come over and sit in the chair, and it's so soft. Like, it's like a little sheepy, you know what I mean? So super cozy. Like, I love the shape of it. I feel like it's something I'm gonna have for so long. You could pick gold legs or black. I did black, actually, surprisingly, because I just feel like it would be more like worth the time. How do you say that? Timeless, like classic. So I did the black legs. I just love it. I love the shape of it. So I'm literally gonna sit here like every day. House. And then my boyfriend's mom gave me this Tom Ford book, which I literally cried when she gave it to me because I've been wanting it so badly, and it's just so lovely. I just like was shocked when she gave it to me. It was for my graduation gift. And she was like, I saw it on your Instagram story that you wanted it, but I'm like, that is the nicest thing ever. So love the little Tom Ford book. And then that little sheepskin rug is, this right here is from Amazon. And it's kind of funny, like I ordered it and I didn't even mean to order it. Like I meant to get more of a printed one. Like I wanted a printed leopard rug right there. But then honestly, it's so soft. It's like a little cloud. Like it just brightens everything up. So I actually like it. And then I just kind of have like my bags in the corner there with like this candle from Target. I love how it looks. And it's lavender, which is just lovely. Yeah, this is like the little corner. How cute. And then my side tables. So I have 2 of these matching side tables from Amazon, y'all. And like, I think they're from a different company and Amazon just ships them out. Like it's not like Amazon brand, but really nice. I put them together myself, like me and my boyfriend did. And then my like mom and dad did the other one, but they are so hard to put together, but so worth it. Like, look how cute that is. I just love the like gold detailing. Look at that scene. Like that just makes me so happy. Lamp I've had for a while, but I'm pretty sure it's from either Target or Home Goods. So I'll just show you my little nightstand here. This is a jewelry box that I have, and I just like literally keep all of my jewelry in. And then this used to be like an anthro candle, and I just like got the wax out, and I need to like put something in there. I'm not sure yet. Favorite candle from Target is like candied almond and vanilla. Smells absurdly good. This is like a little phone charger my boyfriend got me, which is cute. Thanks, Austin. And anthro coaster. You know the drill. Okay, so another thing about this little cozy corner, I want to get a little like gold table to put this book on, so then like the furry stool can be more of a like a footstool or like little ornament. So I'm looking for a circular gold table. If anyone knows of one, let me know. The bed frame I literally got sophomore year of college. Like I got it so long ago, but it was from Pier 1, super cute, just like simple. And then the bedding is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I just wanted a plain white comforter. I didn't want any pattern or anything like that. So that is that, and it's like a duvet cover. I need a longer bed skirt, but this is just how it looks right now. And the pillows and stuff is all from like Marshall's, like random places, you know what I mean? And then this little corner, when you walk in, I have this little like basket with blanket. Like this is just a cute little corner as well. That's like the purse I use every day. So this is all from Target pretty much. So I just thought it was cute. I've had this dresser for a while. I think it's also from Pier 1, honestly. So I just like it. It's really big. Like it's just like a vanilla color, like goes with anything. Yeah, I just keep like all my jeans and stuff like that in here, and then my TV and like cute pictures of my friends, candles. Like this is pretty like simple up here, you know what I mean? Like there's nothing crazy going on. I just love how big it is because, so here's a little thing. Here's a little tip of the day. I'm moving in, I'm like settling in, everything's coming upstairs. I realized that some of my like college furniture is way too small. Like it doesn't fit in this big room. So for example, you can kind of see behind me this setup here, which just makes me cringe. Basically, I've been trying to get a white desk from IKEA for so long. Really, there's like a shortage on IKEA desks, and I like really want to be patient and just get this one desk, but I'm having to use this for now, and it's gonna be like a desk slash vanity, so I can like do work, get ready, all of that. So interrupting this room tour to tell you that I had this really small TV dresser stand, which I'll pop in a picture, like a video of. I just got a notification it was restocked in Charlotte. I hop right in my car, like my hair looks like a big poofy poof. I literally hopped in my car and said, oh, need that. Okay, so this is the desk I got yesterday at IKEA, and it was supposed to be clear glass on top, and then like in their warehouse, it's so confusing. I picked up the black because I thought it was just like wrapped like in black like covering or something, but I actually really love it. I think it looks really cool. I have a little drawer there, but I don't know why. I just like love the black. I think it looks really cool. I just need to figure out how to like keep it clean, and it also like came with the clear glass, so I didn't even need to buy it extra, but I think it looks really cool. So I'll just link it down below if anyone wants to recreate this, or like maybe it's weird, I don't know. But I don't know, I really like it weirdly. And then I have like my little mirror. Boop. So yeah, this worked out well, and it fills up the space so much better. And then I have this lamp as well that I just kind of needed for lighting. I needed more lighting in here, so I have this little guy, but I just really love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna like figure out some way to make it cute, but for now it's just in here with all my little friends. This is one of those little organizing trays I got for my big drawers, and I just put sunglasses in here, and I think it's a cute way to display them. But yeah, I just have this little, it kind of is tucked away nicely, like I don't even notice it. So next I have my IKEA 9-drawer like organizer that everyone has. I just needed it. Like, one of my roommates and I were sharing a bathroom, and I didn't want to like keep all my like crap in there, like my 50 million products, so I just have it all organized in here. And I got these cute little organization trays off Amazon, which I will link as well. But yeah, it's just like, that drawer is not like done yet. See, this is my skincare drawer. So yeah, I just love how everything has a place. My chapstick has a place, you know what I mean? So I just really like this. And then down here I have my hair tools and stuff like that. So this is just kind of like in the corner of my room right now. I don't know if I love the placement, but it'll do for now. And then I have my perfumes, a picture of my friends and I that my friend Charlotte gave us for graduation, which is really cute. This old like mirror that we've had in my house forever. This is like from a Tory Burch candle. I just kept that and used it for my brushes. From when I worked there, they gave that to me, which was like so sweet. I'm like, oh, I want to keep this even when the candle is gone. So I get this mirror off of Facebook Marketplace, which I bought it for $140. Figure out later you can get it for $110 on Amazon. So lesson learned. As I was driving to the middle of nowhere, like, it's really cute. I wanted a vanity mirror, and it has like cool setting like this. Like, there's like cool, warm, neutral. The next I have my foam mirror, which I DIY'd in my last video. I love this little setup right here, to be honest. I have a little tiny candle, this wine glass with some mini pampas, and another like little framed art. And I just think it looks really cute, like on this half of the bed. You know what I mean? And then I also have rolling storage under here, which is all of like my sweatshirts and stuff that I just keep. This is for a collaboration I'm doing and I need to film for, so that's just ignore that. Okay, so Austin and I actually worked really hard on this. I don't know if anyone knows who Molly May is, but she's like this British, you know, she was on Love Island, like whatever. She has this really cute closet that lights up. Like, there's like lights, and she just like redid her whole closet, and I was kind of inspired. So I was like, okay, I want some lights. So we went to Lowe's, like picked out some lights, and then I just, to be more extra, I was like, I kind of want them to be motion activated. These are motion activated lights in my closet that Austin and I figured out how to put up, all of that. So just get ready. Here we go. I'm gonna show you live actually. So I walk in and boom, they light up. More like vertically right here, but I think that is so cool. And like, I have a light in my closet, but it was kind of just like yellowy. Like, it wasn't like really doing it for me. So if you walk in, I will now give you the tour. So I have all of like my shoes down here. I left like a lot of my winter boots and stuff like that at home. So these are just like the shoes I decided to bring this weekend. And then I started doing this for my jeans, you guys, and it's actually really fun. Like, I mean, you can tell I worked in retail because this just gives me joy. But I love how they're hung up. So I have all my jeans there, I have all my bags up here, and just kind of like nicely organized there. This is just kind of my neutrals wall. Like, my sister helped me organize this, but I think it looks really nice. And then here I just have darker clothing. Okay, so that one's Austin's, not mine. But yeah, I have all of my like darker neutral clothing, and then all the colorful ones down here, my little laundry basket. And then this is cool. I take like command strips and use them for jewelry. So just keep these in my closet. I think it's like for my like nicer jewelry and like necklaces. I don't want to get tangled. I put them in here. I don't know if you have any specific questions about like items I have, like the layout, whatever, like just let me know. I think 100% my favorite part is the window. Like, it's just so big, so bright. I'm super happy, and I just love the vibes in here. I love seeing it all come together. Like, it's just so exciting. So say this in the beginning, but I saw this quote that's like, you spend 90% of your life in your room, like in your space, in your environment, in your house, So you gotta make it like happy. You know what I mean? You gotta make it like a zen space, because you can't just be happy when you're on vacation, traveling, blah, blah, blah. You gotta be happy in your own space. So, tip of the day. Okay, wait, last thing, I'm just gonna add this in. This is an outfit from Poly. It's like a little cream set. Let me just say, y'all, it is so cute and such good quality. It's like so thick. I just love it. It's like such, and it says like Poly Sport or something like that. So, I don't know, this is like my work from home cozy outfit today. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, I don't know if this was boring or interesting, but yeah, just like, comment, share, notification bell, all of that. And I have like kind of all sorts of random videos on my channel, so just go check them out. Let me know what you guys like, don't like, etc. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.